What's up, y'all? Got a 2025 Ram 1500 limited, fully loaded. It's not mine, no. I'm test driving it out here at the dealership in Enfield, and just want to show y'all what I see, what I think about this new truck. It's really, really smooth. It has the new, not super high output, but the new Hurricane inline 6 twin turbo V6 engine in there. So, yeah, let's check it out. Start under the hood first. Let's see. The twin turbo, very quiet, very smooth. V6 engine. Twin turbos. Inline 6. Straight back. Lots of space in here. This thing really gets up and goes. You cannot tell that it even has turbos because when you press the gas, it just goes. What they say, no lag? No lag at all. So the front face on this truck, I like has LED lights. I can turn the headlights on. Tow hooks. New redesigned grille in the front for Ram. Here's your SST high output engine. Badge. Thing I really like about this truck is the size. So from the side doors, you can tell it has a big back seat. You come in the back here, see that you got plenty of leg room. And this is my seat set for my height. I'm about 6'2", and I still have plenty of space. This is one of the reasons why I like full-size trucks nowadays. They just have plenty of space and room in the back. So if you have car seats back here, kids have space to stretch their legs out. If you have adults back here, they have room to sit comfortably. Now, speakers are built in back here. I like that. This window is powered. You can open up and slide back and forth. And let's go check out the front. You'll view at the screen here. 12-inch. I think it's upgraded to 14-inch touchscreen. So this is the feature I wanted to show in this limited trim. So Jeep Wagoneer has this already. It is a secondary touchscreen that the passenger side has. Sorry, them seats are massaging right now too. That's pretty cool. But so you can do HDMI connection, USB video connection, so you can probably hook up like a DVD player to it. You can also control like the audio settings, so you can do your music settings in here. And the gentleman was also telling me that you can do navigation. So say I'm driving and my wife is with me and she wants to put in like a stop. Starbucks, right? You want to go to Starbucks? I'm driving, so it's not going to be able to do that for me to do that here. But she can go in here and search for Starbucks and add it as a destination for me. And then it will populate it on the main screen map. So I think that's really cool. You can also look at the vehicle's cameras. Let's see. The vehicle has, I think this one has a 360 view, but oh no, just rear view. So you can look at the vehicle's cameras. If it had a 360 camera view, you can see like the front, the two sides, as well as the rear from this side as well. It's a really cool screen. I've seen people do where they plug in like Xbox or PlayStation with the HDMI cord, and they're like playing their game system on here. Here's the passenger HDMI hookup right here, and you playing your game system on here while you are driving, which is really, really cool if you think about it. For long road trips, I mean, this is probably like one of the nicest features you can have in a vehicle. Lo and behold, this truck is fully loaded. Like I said, it actually has adjustable air suspension in here. You can see it, adjust the ride height of the vehicle, higher to lower. Has trailer brake control, four-wheel drive controls here. The auto start stop feature, you can turn it on and off. 2 wireless chargers, one here and here. Plenty of USB-C ports and USB-A ports. Still has an aux port plug-in. I like that. All your AC controls are buttons. That's good to know. So you don't have to worry about actually going into the menu to find the air conditioning controls, but you do have your seat controls in here, and you can still control the air conditioner from the screen also. Your physical buttons for your radio, volume, and tune in. That's nice. Mute is a physical button. Your hazard light is a physical button. Traction control on and off. It also has another plug up here. I think that's nice. So if you have like a camera or accessory you want to plug in and set up here, it has a little storage spot for it and a plug for it. Plenty of storage in the center, pretty deep down in there. You also got cup holders here. Got another storage drawer here. It's a little change. This big thing opens up. We got some more storage here, and then another button opens up. More storage deep down in there. Love that. 2 cup holders right behind you here for the back seat. And let's hop in the back real quick and see what else we can get. This one also comes with a panoramic sunroof. So let's pop that open. Full panoramic view. Goes all the way back to there. Let's open it up all the way. It's halfway. That's full. So the back seat can get a little sunroof as well. It's an expensive upgrade for this feature, but I think it's cool if you have it, if it comes with it. So be it. Also, I told you guys that the rear mirror window is powered, open and close. So you can open that, close it, man. A button here, and then here's the open and close for the sunroof. We're not gonna open that right now too. You also have your buttons for the trunk release, which is cool. It's a powered lift gate, and you have your garage door opener here as well. So hop in the back. Good to have your powered. All right, again, so in the back here, it's comfortable, it's spacious. I just came out this front seat comfortably, and then now I'm back here again. I got space. Like, I mean, it's still a back seat, but for it to be a back seat, it's very roomy. These seats too, they also can, down here, it can recline. So I can slide this out and actually sit back. You can see the difference now in reclining. So this side is reclined. This side is straight, up and down. See the seat kind of adjusts out a little bit. That's a great feature for a back seat. Now, you recline the seat, of course, you're gonna lose some leg room. So, but this is good if you wanna lay back, you know, kick your feet up a little bit. You got some space in the front. You can move this front seat up and, you know, just like stretch your feet out and sit back during a long trip. That's a good thing to have. Also, I love that they have hooks back here. You know, I'm a business guy, so when I have like coats or my uniform or anything I need to hang up, it's always hard not having like just something to stick it on. So this is like a very well thought through process to add this as just a little hook to just hook stuff on. I mean, you can hang things on there, or you can just hook grocery bags on there, whatever it is, on both sides of the back. These seats back here are also in this trim. They are heated and ventilated. So you got heated and ventilated back seats. You also have plenty of plugs. You also have a household style outlet in here. I mean, you can't ask for more. I mean, it's a little like a limousine back here if you think about it. Leather seats, sunroof, speakers in the back of your back of your head. Beautiful screen up there, so it's like everybody can be comfortable. Kids can plug in a tablet back here and watch whatever they want to watch on their own comfortable space. They also have another center cup holder here. Move this out the way. Oh, it doesn't open down. I was wrong. So I thought this seat folded down in the middle here, but maybe I just don't know how to do it. There we go. Okay. So this folds down in the middle. So if you don't need the whole full back bench, you got another 2 cup holders here in the middle. You have a little storage cubby here. I like that. Probably put like some wipes or something right here. I'm such a dad. It's beautiful back here. I would sit back here as an adult and feel comfortable for a long ride. So yeah. All right, out to the outside again. So we're gonna show you the bed. It's a 5'7" bed. It's like not the short bed, but it's not the extra long bed. It comes standard on this limited trim, 4-wheel drive. It had the adjustable air suspension. This is automatic tailgate. Opens up automatically. Comes with the spray-in bed liner, and also has these rail hooks, which is cool. I know I saw it on the Nissan Frontier that came with it standard, but this may be an option that you can upgrade to. But it's really cool to have when you have stuff to tie down in the back. You got tie downs here on all 4 sides, and over there, over here, and then now you have the hooks as well. So it makes it easier to keep stuff tied down from moving around in the back of the truck. Also get an outlet in the back here. So the max 400 watts, 115 volts, 3-prong outlet. I think that's enough juice to do pretty much simple things. You can probably plug in the back here. And this tailgate opens and closes powered. So let me see. Press the button there. Closes by itself. Again, this is a limited trim. Let me see, you can get a little exhaust note for the so good for a V6, a little mumble. Overall, I think this truck is, for the redesign, they're starting to add a lot of cool stuff to it for the 2025 year model. Would I spend 60, 70 grand on this? Oh, 80 grand. This is MSRP 75,455. Would I spend that on here? Nah. But if I can find a good used one like this, or if they have some good leasing deals, I would not be opposed to it. I mean, it comes with a lot of things that are standard that a lot of vehicles don't come standard with. Your window controls, power folding mirror. Got some massaging seats. I didn't show you that. You hit that button there, and you pull up a massage menu. You can choose all the different styles: waterfall, extend, lower back, for either the driver or the passenger side. Like, I mean, these are some insane features on a pickup truck. I mean, so when you consider all those things, adaptive cruise control, right? You got your gear shifter control, different drive modes you can switch between. Let's show the drive modes. You got snow, you got tow, you got sport mode, you got off-road mode, you got automatic. And it even adjusts the suspension. You see the little light flashing? You can adjust the suspension depending on what mode you're in. So, I mean, come on now. Like, even those things alone, those features alone, like animations there, kind of set this truck up to be of the elite. You will spend a lot of money on it, but I believe it may be worth it depending on where you're coming from. So someone coming from a Tesla, I'm gonna spend 80 grand. I spend 80 grand on a new Tesla, or spend 80 grand on this. I'll probably spend 80 grand on this. I'm just gonna be honest. The new engine option, I'm not too sure how great it's gonna be, how much reliable it's gonna be with the twin turbos. Being that it's inline 6 though, I think is a good chance that it has some room to grow, and get better. But I would say I hear great things about inline 6 engines. I had a lot of great things about turbocharged engines. Even Ford with the EcoBoost engine, their EcoBoost engine sells significantly well. I had a Ford Fusion with an EcoBoost, and I was afraid of the turbo going bad or causing issues, and I got rid of it. But I still see those things riding around on the road today, and sometimes I regret. I'm like, man, I probably should have just kept that EcoBoost because it would have been a good, reliable car, probably. So anyway, this has 2 turbos though, but it's the inline 6 versus a typical V6 engine, which they talked about the balance of the vertical engines with the inline 6s I mean, the balance of the inline six engines makes it easier and more natural, smooth shifting, in which I can say when I was driving it, it didn't feel like a V6. I was kind of hesitant to tap on the gas, honestly, going through residential neighborhoods, speed limit like 25 miles an hour, because as you touch the gas, it goes. There's no lag in turbo. You don't feel like a spool up or anything like that. You hit the gas and it's like, it's going. You're going to get a response for the throttle. So that alone right there kind of makes me want to try out this new Hurricane engine. I'm interested to see what other models they're going to put this engine in, like maybe the Jeep Wrangler. What is it? The Jeep Wrangler, not Wrangler, the Gladiator. I don't know why I got stuck. The Jeep Gladiator pickup trucks, Dodge Durangos, like a smaller platform, because for this big truck to be able to handle with a V6 turbo, twin turbo, I'm imagining how something smaller like those vehicles will be able to like keep up in how much power they can put down with a twin turbo V6 like this. Fuel efficiency, it says 21 highway, 17 on the city, which I guess is not terrible for a big pickup truck like this. At the end of the day, you got some smaller vehicles that average like 21, 22 miles per gallon. So what do you guys think of this new truck? Are you guys excited about this new year model compared to the previous year models? The V8 is gone. What do people think about that? I know a lot of people are sad about the V8 being gone, but going to the turbos and the 6 is the best way now, seems like it, to still get the power and the torque that you need without losing on fuel economy. And everybody wants better fuel economy if you think about it. There's only a few people out there that still don't care about spending $70, $80 a week to fill up and getting like 17 miles to the gallon, 15 miles to the gallon. Like, it's dead. It's little dinosaur days. We got to move up. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. And let me know in the comments what y'all think about this new 2025 Ram 1500 Limited. Peace. Just want to give a shout out to Artioli, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram here in Enfield, Connecticut. This is where I was able to film the 2025 Ram 1500 today. So if you guys are looking for a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram in this area, please feel free to give them a shout. They will take care of you, and they were very friendly and open to me even filming today. So I appreciate them, and make sure you guys check them out. That's Artioli, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram.